Hi there, students. Forthwith. Forthwith. This is an adverb meaning immediately, at once, right now, the next thing to happen, the next thing to do, without delay, without hesitation. I want you to do this forthwith, right now, immediately, the next thing that you do, as soon as reasonably possible, at once. He arrived home and forthwith he took off his shoes. Okay, there's one little problem with these examples I've been giving you. Forthwith is a very formal adverb. I'd probably give it something like an 8 in formality. So in all the examples I've given you before, I would say at once. He arrived at a home and immediately, at once, he took off his shoes. It is essential that this be done forthwith. There we go. That's a much better example in the formality. It is essential that this be done, passive subjunctive, forthwith, immediately after now. Okay, so forthwith, right away. I could be arrested forthwith. Okay, I could be arrested without delay, instantly, straight away. Yeah, immediately. The government should take action forthwith. I strongly advise you to do this forthwith. I strongly advise that this be done forthwith. He was so keen an enthusiast that he did it forthwith. So notice I'm using complex formal structures to go with this forthwith. The judge sentenced him to 6 months in jail, and they took him to the prison forthwith. Okay, he was carried away to the prison forthwith. So you need to be careful with this. You can't use this in an informal conversation because you're going to sound really weird. Yeah. You could use it if you were trying to make a joke or something like that, copying someone. He was chosen as CEO of the company and he was given authority to act forthwith. Forthwith, this is going to be the way that things shall be done. Okay, I'm trying to add formality to these things I'm saying. I think most commonly you're going to see forthwith as something written or something said, but within a very formal context, with a very formal background. The ministry has deemed that this was not done forthwith. Okay, they've decided that it wasn't done immediately, and it should have been done immediately. Okay, so formality an 8, 8.5, something like that. Not unless you do this forthwith will I be satisfied with your performance. Okay, not unless, with an inversion as well. Under no circumstances should there be any delay. It is essential that this be done forthwith. Wow, a whole mouthful of words. So, origin. Well, there's an Old English word in Middle English, forthwith or forthwithal, meaning at once, immediately. Yeah. and that's where it comes from. So, Forthwith. Well, I think I'm going to finish Forthwith. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Forthwith. Formal, formal, formal.